Welcome, everyone, to BE10x. Glowing star where transformative AI learning meets passion and curiosity. If the world of artificial intelligence intrigues you, if the unexplored territories of the digital realm excite you, then my friends, you've navigated to the right space. BE10x is not just a learning platform, it's a breeding ground for the next wave of AI innovators and pioneers. Here, we embrace the transformative power of AI, providing a cutting-edge education to those who are eager to dive deep into the intricate layers of artificial intelligence. We are here to empower, enlighten, and ignite the minds of the next generation who will shape the future of technology. So, are you ready to step into the future and see what AI has in store for you? If yes, then join us on this thrilling journey and become a part of the BE10x family, where learning knows no boundaries. First up, Introduction to AI. Delve deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and get a comprehensive overview of the top AI applications. Our machine learning course offers a deep dive into both supervised and unsupervised learning techniques. More than just theories, you'll get hands-on experience applying these techniques on practical projects. Passionate about how machines understand and generate human language? Our Natural Language Processing (NLP) course allows you to explore the intricacies of neural networks and their application in NLP. Last, but not least, our Computer Vision (CV) course. Delve into the mesmerizing science behind object recognition, tracking, and image segmentation.
Here at our learning platform, we believe in fostering an innovative learning methodology, aiming to make your learning journey flexible, interactive, and enlightening. Our courses are designed into bite-sized lessons, allowing you to learn at your own pace. These short, digestible lessons ensure that you can grasp the concepts effectively, making learning an enjoyable experience. But learning isn't just about absorbing information. It's about interacting with the material, engaging in practical projects, and participating in group discussions. Our platform offers interactive learning experiences that make your journey collaborative and engaging. And to ensure you're fully equipped to apply your newfound knowledge, we incorporate a hands-on approach in our curriculum. Develop and fine-tune your skills with real-world projects and hands-on exercises, helping you to gain practical experience and confidence in your abilities.
It's always inspiring to see our alumni triumph in their respective fields. Let's hear from some of them. Elaine B shares her transformative experience, saying, "BE10x helped me transition into a career in AI that I love. It's rewarding to know that our platform could aid in shaping a career path filled with passion and enthusiasm." Then we have Mike J, who gained extensive and invaluable experience using cutting-edge technology with BE10x. Mike's journey exemplifies the profound, practical knowledge that our learners acquire. Samantha L took her learned skills a step further. "I used the skills I learned to teach AI to kids and empower the next generation." What an inspiring endeavor, using education to empower and shape future minds. The stories of Elaine, Mike, and Samantha illustrate the diverse pathways our learners embark upon, all unified by the transformative learning experiences they've had with us. We have some exciting news exclusively for our audience. We're offering a special promotion when you enroll in our courses. Sign up now and not only will you gain access to our comprehensive learning resources, but you'll also receive free bonuses. And that's not all. Upon completing the course, you'll be awarded a certificate of completion, symbolizing your dedication and newly acquired skills. So, don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Enrich your learning journey with us and step into the world of opportunities with added confidence and knowledge.
Ready to embark on your transformative learning journey? Enrolling is simple. Start by signing up for BE10x using the affiliate link provided. This will lead you to our diverse range of courses, allowing you to choose the one that aligns best with your interests and career goals. Once you've made your choice, proceed to submit your payment, and voila! You are all set to dive into a world of knowledge, interact with like-minded peers, and develop skills that will propel you forward in your career. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start your journey to mastery with BE10x. Claim your free gift. To claim your free gift, send a copy of your invoice to ashishwave10x@gmail.com with the subject line, "Free Gift."
you ready to unlock the future and dive into the revolutionary world of AI? Then join us today for an unforgettable journey of discovery and advancement. By joining, you're not just gaining access to innovative learning, you are stepping into a realm of endless possibilities and a brighter future in the field of artificial intelligence. And remember, learning is a journey best shared. So, spread the word. Share this golden opportunity with your family and friends. Let's unlock boundless potentials and pave the way for advancements together. Thank you for joining and showing interest in BE10x. Your enthusiasm for learning is the driving force behind our continuous efforts to bring you the best in educational content. Keep your learning spirit ignited by staying connected with us. For more updates on new courses and exclusive special offers, be sure to follow us on our social media platforms. Don't forget to explore our website to dive deeper into all the learning possibilities we have to offer. We look forward to seeing you embark on more learning adventures with us.